So today in this video I will be doing my eyebrows for the first time using Veet, just to see if it will work or not. If it does, it'll replace me having to get my eyebrows waxed, but we'll see. So I'm using a flat brush, and I'm also using I Love Edges wooden brush that I use for my edges, but I sometimes use them for my eyebrows as well. So now I am just going to brush my eyebrows up because I'm scared. I was so terrified. I thought I was going to have no eyebrows. I thought all my eyebrows were going to be gone. I got to pencil them in, and it was just going to be a mess. So when I brush them up, you can see the little odd hairs that need to be gone. So I'm just going to do that on both sides because I've never done this before, and I just wanted to see if I didn't want to mess up and then be eyebrowless, if that's even a word. So yeah. Okay, so then I'm gonna take I started off with just a little bit of product on the flat brush, just to try to create the shape that I usually get. And so I just kept going. I did the middle so I won't have a unibrow, and I was real confused during the process, and it didn't tingle or hurt or anything, but I had just got like real nervous. But I was already all the way through it, so it was already on. So I'm just letting that sit until I guess I felt like it was ready to take it off. Then I don't know why, I decided to read the instructions. And then the instructions said that it's not suitable for use for face, eyes, nose, ears, or I was like, well, what am I doing? I was like, this I should have read this before I even done this. Now I know they do have a face cream that is made specifically for your face, and these are the instructions that you peel off the bottle. Okay, so now I'm just taking a wet towel. I should have had a white towel so I could see the hair coming off, but the purple towel was like right on top, so I just grabbed that. And I used warm water, and so now I'm just taking it off. I'm trying to wipe gently because I don't want to create any extra irritation or bumps or anything to form on my face, because my face has been going through it this summer. So now I'm just wiping off the product. I thought it was going to take the hairs off, or maybe I just didn't leave it on long enough because there were still hairs left, and I'm not a big tweezer person. I don't like using tweezers on my eyebrows. So that's, in my mind, that's when it started going downhill because I was scared to put more back on. And you can see the hairs that did come off, you can see them just like laying there. So I was just trying to wipe them off. More kept coming off when I was wiping, but I wasn't worried or scared or anything. It wasn't that much hairs. It was just the strands, I guess, that were stubborn to come off. But it still didn't give me the effect that I was looking for. I was really hoping that if this was going to like be a good in between when I don't feel like going to get my eyebrows done at the shop. I don't know. And then I kept looking back and forth because I don't know, it just looked off to me. Please leave me a comment down below in the comment section if you have done this eyebrow method, and if so, let me know how your experience was because I don't know. I'm not really feeling this this whole method. Maybe I might try it again with the face cream, but with this one, I didn't really feel. I wasn't feeling it. I was a little upset because I didn't like how they came out, and that it was still hairs left, and it wasn't like, I don't know. Maybe my expectations were higher. So now I'm just putting some shea butter on my eyebrows. It's by Palmer's. You can get it at any Target or CVS or Walmart. And I usually do that even when I get my eyebrows waxed. I just have a habit of putting that on because it kind of minimizes getting the bumps or the little irritation around the bottom parts of your eyebrows once you get them waxed. Alright, you guys, so I don't know how I feel about this little experiment that I tried out, but at least I did leave with my eyebrows, well, some of my eyebrows, and I don't look too crazy. So leave your thoughts and comments below in the comment section. Any video ideas or new products that you would like me to try, let me know. And as always, you guys have a blessed day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.